Hello and welcome to Daily English 10, the podcast for English beginners.
Hi, everyone. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma. We are so happy you are here today.
Yes, welcome. Today we are talking about a fun topic, hobbies.
Hobbies, that's a great word. What is a hobby, Alex?
A hobby is something you do in your free time, not for work, but for fun.
Right, it's for you to relax and be happy.
Exactly. For example, some people like reading books. That is a hobby.
Or playing sports like football or tennis.
Yes, those are active hobbies. Some hobbies are inside hobbies, like cooking or painting.
And some are outside hobbies like hiking or fishing.
So many hobbies to choose from.
Yes, so let's talk about our hobbies. Alex, what do you do in your free time?
Well, in my free time, my hobby is playing the guitar.
Playing the guitar. That's a wonderful hobby. Why do you like it?
I love music. It makes me feel happy. I like to play rock music and pop music.
Oh, cool. Is it difficult to learn?
Yes, in the beginning it is a little difficult. My fingers hurt.
Oh, no.
But now it is easier. It's very relaxing to play a song after a long day.
That sounds lovely. How often do you play the guitar?
I try to play every day, maybe for 30 minutes in the evening.
That's great. Practice is important.
It is. So what about you, Emma? What is your hobby?
My hobby is very different. My hobby is gardening.
Gardening? That sounds very peaceful.
It is. I love being outside in the sun and with the plants.
What do you grow in your garden?
I grow beautiful flowers like roses and sunflowers. I also grow some vegetables.
Vegetables? Like what?
I have tomatoes, carrots, and lettuce. It's so nice to make a salad with food from my own garden.
Wow, that is amazing. Fresh food from your garden?
Yes, it's hard work sometimes, but I enjoy it. It helps me to relax and forget about stress.
That's the best kind of hobby. So, when do you do gardening?
Usually on the weekends, on Saturday and Sunday mornings when the weather is nice.
Okay, so it's a weekend hobby for you.
That's right. So we have music and gardening. What are some other popular hobbies?
Many people like photography. Taking pictures.
Oh, yes. That's a creative hobby. My brother likes photography.
And cooking is very popular. Or baking cakes.
I like baking cookies. Maybe that is my second hobby.
That sounds delicious. Is there any other hobby you would like to try, Emma?
So, to our listeners, we have some easy questions for you. Oh, that's a great question. I think I would like to try painting. I see beautiful paintings online and I want to create something like that.
Yes, you can ask your friends, what are your hobbies? Or what do you do in your free time?
My hobby is, and then say your hobby. For example, my hobby is reading.
Or you can say, I like. For example, I like dancing.
And if someone asks, how often do you dance?
I dance once a week. Or I dance every weekend.
Perfect. It is a great way to start a conversation and make new friends.
It is. So we encourage you to think about your hobbies and practice talking about them in English.
That's all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for listening to Daily English 10.
We hope you enjoyed it. Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone.